Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Foundation Prep from Clarendon going up against Richmond Park Prep from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Richmond Park Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Richmond Park Prep and Bible knowledge. According to the parable of the talents, how many talents were distributed in total?
How many talents were distributed in total? 3.
Incorrect, it's 8. Foundation. According to the parable of the talents, to how many persons were the talents distributed?
8.
Incorrect, it's 3. Jamaican affairs is a visual. This is for Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Lothan Cousins. Lothan Cousins!
That is correct. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Robert Montague.
Incorrect, it's Xavier Main, MP. Science, this is for Richmond Park. What is known as the inability to stop using a substance or doing some activity that may be harmful?
Doing an activity that may be harmful or an ability to...
Hazardous.
Repeat?
Hazardous.
Incorrect, it's addiction. Foundation. What name is given to a substance or drug which, when put on or into the body, stops a bacterial infection?
Antidote.
Incorrect, it's antibiotic. Richmond Park. Television is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Andre Williams. Andre Williams!
Incorrect, it's Damon Wayans. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Shenseea.
Incorrect, it's Tisha Campbell. Richmond, back over to you. English language. What is the pronoun in the sentence, they will meet at the store at 3:30 p.m.?
Pronoun. They.
They.
Correct. Foundation. What is the adverb in the sentence, he speaks too quickly?
Quickly.
That is correct. Sports, it's a visual. This is for Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andrea Williams. Andrea Williams.
Incorrect, it's Marie Jose Talou, the Ivorian athlete. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Asafa Paul.
It's Zarnell Hughes, the British athlete. General knowledge for Richmond Park. What is the capital of Belarus?
Capital of Belarus.
Minsk.
Correct. Foundation. What is the capital of Croatia?
Zagreb.
That is correct. Social studies for Richmond. Which city is in the Caribbean features the world's 7th largest natural harbor?
Caribbean City. Bridgetown.
St. John's.
St. John's.
Incorrect, it's Kingston here in Jamaica. Foundation. In which Caribbean city is the CARICOM Secretariat headquarters? Georgetown, Guyana is correct. Richmond Park. Music. The singer Dua Lipa has dual citizenship with Great Britain and which other country?
America.
Incorrect, it's Albania. Cold Heart is a hit single from Dua Lipa and which British artiste? This is for Foundation.
Ed Sheeran.
Incorrect, it's Elton John. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Foundation Prep on 3 and Richmond Park Prep also on 3. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Use educational apps and websites to make learning more fun and interactive. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.